Hello and welcome to Starting Points, where one thing leads to another. Now, we could go lots of places. The ocean and ocean life is where I'm headed, and that leads to other things as well. But I'd show you these just in case you wanted to go a slightly different direction. So I'm just going to hold them up and let you know they exist. Golden Guide to Fossils. This is a great guide. As you know, I'm high on all their guides. This is by Frank H.T. Rhodes, R-H-O-D-E-S, Howard Zim. It has 481 illustrations in color. So you can see the connection with the oceans and seas. These are fossilized things like starfish and this is not well, anyway, you can see what's here. It gives you a pretty full picture in a small book. Barnum Brown, Dinosaur Hunter, by David Sheldon, biography. This book I've shown you before, The Prehistoric America. It's one that I really enjoyed. And Terry White, and covers lots of different topics. And or another person you might want to find out something about, Louis Agassiz, Adventurous Scientist by Louise Hall Tharp, or the A is missing here, A Scientist of Two Worlds, Louis Agassiz, by Catherine Owens Peer. The Bone Wars by Catherine Lasky. Album of Dinosaurs by Tom McGovern, illustrated by Rod Ruth. Graveyard of the Dinosaurs, and I can't help but show you. This is by Shelley Tanaki. The Dinosaur Provincial Park in Alberta, Canada. Gives you an idea of the landscape here. This is not a painting, this is a photograph. And and then this fascinating book by Chris McGowan, Diatom's Two Dinosaurs, The Size and Scale of Living Things. Chris McGowan. Well, thanks for joining me. Until next time, we're going to go back to England and visit the seashore. Bye for now.